Welcome back to the channel. It is Anise, the Boss Ladypreneur, coming at you with yet another Make Money Online video. Today we will be learning how to do affiliate marketing as a beginner. I will take you through some easy ways to start your affiliate marketing business and some tools that will speed up the process and minimize the learning curve. So let's get into this video. Okay, so here we are in our affiliate marketing must-haves. I have this sheet downloadable in the description below, so just sign up for that and grab this so that you can refer to it at any time. Alright, so the first thing that you will need for your affiliate marketing business is website hosting. Now I've named Namecheap as the best option, as I have found that they are very cheap, and especially if you are starting with a limited budget. Namecheap allows you to host your website of choice as long as it is available for a few dollars every month, depending on what you would like, a .com or a .ca or a shop or co or whatever it is very cost effective. So you will need website hosting. The next thing you will need is a page builder so that you can create landing pages to gather email addresses so that you can create a list. As they say, the list and the money is in the list. So I've named Thrive Themes, Groove Funnels or Click Funnels there, and all create sales funnels and or ways in which you can gather an email address and also have them redirected through to the affiliate product that you are trying to sell. So in order to gather those emails, you need an email autoresponder or an email marketing platform, and I have named Aweber here as they seem to have been the most effective for me, and the other one that I have used is GetResponse, which was really good as well. So depending on what you would like to use, those are the two options I recommend. And then the next thing here is joining your affiliate networks, so that you can sign up and sell products. So there's Jvzoo, Warrior Plus and Clickbank, which are the biggest ones, and people are now using Digistore 24 as well. So that one seems to be big now because a lot of the YouTube people who are selling courses are using it, and so can you, to sell their products to your audience. So the next thing you need to have is ways to sell your affiliate products. So whether you're going to use Facebook if you already have an audience, you can run paid adverts via Facebook and Instagram, or you can get paid traffic, so utilizing other people's email lists and buying some paid traffic via different websites, which I can add more in this video as we go along. And then sixth and final is running your campaigns to make sales, so that is linked to selling the affiliate products. Now if you want more information around that, how to create Facebook campaigns or paid traffic, I have videos down in my other videos, so check those out on my channel, and I can also link some of those Facebook advert creation videos here. And if you want updated versions, please let me know in the comments below that you would like more Facebook tutorials for affiliate marketing. Okay, so those are the 6 things that you will need to create your affiliate marketing business from scratch. It is that simple. So we will move on through next to actually looking at the different hosts having a look at the page builders, and most of all, how to join your affiliate network. So let's move through to our next phase of this tutorial. Okay, so here we are in the Clickbank marketplace. Now, many people talk about going into a niche that is going to be easy to enter and not too difficult to write for when it comes to paid adverts, especially if you were to use Facebook, as Facebook limits the wording in relation to weight loss. So you have to know how to get around using or not using any of those words. So if we were to have a look at e-business and marketing, because a lot of people like to make money online, as you do, and that is probably the reason why you're on my channel right now, is how to make money online. So there's got to be more people just like you and I out there. So if you're wanting to have a look at the 12-minute affiliate system, as they say, to look at the gravity score, to have a look at the average percentage of sale, the average rebill. So some of these products have rebilling, so it's an ongoing service that costs monthly, and these are things that we look at. So you've got this, which means rebill, the cycle. It's American, obviously pays, and it is going up in trend. It is mobile friendly, and there are links. So we have a look. The initial sale is $17, average sale percentage 50% is what you will make, and the average rebill total is 115. The average sale is 120, so what we're looking for is quite a high gravity score. Now if they're too high, then they're very competitive and potentially being sold a lot on platforms, so people have seen them before. So you're going for somewhere in between, so obviously not really low, but obviously above that gravity score of possibly, you know, a lot of people, and even I say around about 50 or plus is really good. And sometimes, depending on the niche, that gravity score is a really good indicator as to whether the product's going well, selling well. So let's, for example, once you're wanting to sell one of these products, what you're going to do is you can check out the affiliate page. You can have a look at the sales page, but once you're ready and you're happy with the gravity score, this percentage of sale, and possible rebill if that's what you're going for, and the initial sale looks good, remembering, keeping in mind how much the initial sale would be and how many ads or how long you'll be running an ad for. So they do say, and I have done it, tested it in the past and started out with $5 budgets within Facebook, but nowadays things have gotten a little bit more expensive. So remembering, the more you spend, the more eyeballs your ads will go in front of, people's eyeballs that is. So if we are going to pay $10 a day, the Facebook building platform within your advert manager will show you how many potential eyes will see that advert for that amount of money. So keeping in mind how many people you will see the ad and how long it will take to get enough people to see the ad to promote to and buy. So once we're happy with that gravity score, the average rebill, and the initial sale information, we click promote, and we will then get our tracking name and generate hop links. We need to click that, and it will give us our hop link so that we can promote that product to our potential sales and our new clients. So let's pause this out, and that was our quick little cover off of the Clickbank platform and how to look for products to sell. Okay, so the next platform we're going to have a quick sneak peek at is Jvzoo. So Jvzoo, another large affiliate marketing platform where everyone sells their softwares, their ebooks, their products galore. So here you're going to go in, and if you don't already have a account, you're going to start for free. Add your information, go through the process, and then have a look at the products and the marketplace. So let's do that now. Okay, so here we are in Jvzoo, the top sellers, and this is how you can assess which affiliate products to promote right now. There is also another way where you can look at the calendar of upcoming so that you can plan out selling. But if you're on the hop, on the fly, and wanting to see what's going well, you can have a look here at the top sellers. So for top sellers, the top sellers today: Profile Mate, Survey Chimp, Explandio, 7-Figure Franchise, Motivio, the Forex Decimus Trading System, Doodle Maker Enterprise, Advert Suite, Zone Assassin Hunter, Key Search Starter. So those are just today, and you can look at top sellers for the day previous. You can look at top sellers past 7 days. You can look at the top sellers for the past 30 days. So you could choose any one of these. You can have a look at the affiliate details, and then you can make an assessment based on the income that you can make from the product, as well as what the possible income, whether it has an ongoing funnel or a subscription or these types of things. You can even check out the sales page. So let's go through and have a look at one, and then have a look at all those details and how we actually can get our links and promote one of these products. Okay, so I've selected the Survey Chimp Ultimate Affiliate information right here. So the sale price is $37. The commission is 50%, so half of that. It's quite low. That is probably, you probably want a more expensive product so that you can make a bit more. But anyhow, this is an example of how to assess the product and look at the information. So you have to request permission, fill out the following form to request permission to promote. And then once you've received your permission, you can then go through to the integrations. You can look at bonuses, and you can look at the vendor's profile straight away. You can have a look at number of sales, the votes in relation to the product, the refund rate, which is really important because refund rate will give you an indicator of how many people may refund or want to refund from your sales as well. So that's a really good insight right there. You want it quite low. People often say less than 5%, so that you know that you're going to be able to bank that money, and the money you pay for ads ends up being worth your while and return on your investment. So we request it, we send through the information, we press I'm not a robot. You then request the approval, and once you receive your approval, you can then start to use those links to promote that product. So that is how you go through the Jvzoo process. You can also view the sales pages and have a look at what it is they're offering your potential client slash people you're going to sell to. So let's pause this out, and we'll go back and we'll have a quick look at upcoming products in the calendar, in the affiliate product calendar. Okay, so here we are in the Jvzoo launch list. So you can have a look down and have a look at what is launching in the Jvzoo platform, and you can actually select and make a plan so that you can roll out different promotions and affiliate products when you see suitable to your audience. So maybe you're into video marketing like I am. Maybe you're into YouTube, so you're looking for products that will help people on YouTube. Perhaps you are a meditation person and you love to help people find peace and quiet and balance. So maybe you look for products like that. So look for something that aligns with you, that you enjoy, and that you can put into a calendar and map and plan to promote online and sell online. So that's just a little quick insight. You can check out the products if they've got their website up and running. You know, WordPress bulk importer plus 100k PLR articles. I mean, that would be awesome for someone who's blogging, someone who's wanting PLR to create video, and so on and so forth. So I'm just going to click on through and have a look at mariansweb.com and see what it is that he has running. So that is just a quick and short and sharp way of looking for products to promote in the not too distant future for your affiliate marketing business. Okay, so those were your affiliate marketing networks, where and how you can sign up so that you can start to promote those products and make those sales absolutely for free. Now, if you still want that speed sheet, that cheat sheet that I mentioned at the beginning, go down into the description below and sign up for that absolutely free. And in our next video, we will look at your hosting, your email autoresponder / email marketing, and your website. Okay, thanks for watching and peace out. Thank you so much for watching that video. Yes, that was affiliate marketing for beginners, the tools and means to get your affiliate marketing business up and running in no time to make that income online. If you did enjoy this video, please comment down below, #enjoyed, and if there's something specific you would like to see in future on my videos, please comment down below what that is. Okay, thanks for watching. Peace out till the next video, which will be up every Saturday. Peace out.